Hi everyone, this is Dov Hershkovitz. I'm here with Sanjun Park, and this is Pipeline Authoring 16.4 Kickoff video. I'm going to go ahead and share. As always, we have a planning issue underneath the Pipeline Authoring group, planning issue number 102. We'll start with the goals of the milestone. So our first priority is that we have a few, I guess three security issue that we need to handle. So those will be priority number one. And because of that, because of the fact that most of the backend engineers will be focused on those issues, we'll also pick up some SaaS impacting issues that are front end only. We didn't list them yet on the table because they need to get weighted, but they will get added once we'll finalize all the refinement. The second priority, once we complete the vulnerability issue, is continue to work on moving CI/CD catalog to beta. This is something that I've explained several times, several videos. We are doing some restructuring of component, making sure that they will be very similar to template. With that, will allow user to easily migrate from component to template and then leverage the catalog. So this is the entire epic. And the third priority is about the input interpolation. Okay, so I also discussed this in several of my videos. We have a full epic about input enhancement, but this time what we really want to implement is the ability to support variables in input. So when you are including a file with inputs, you can actually set a variable to that input. Once we do that, I believe this will be the right time to move inputs from beta to GA, because it means that users could use inputs instead of variables anywhere, everywhere in any template. So hopefully we'll be able to complete that in time. Another front-end related issue that actually is ready, and I'm hoping we'll be able to implement that, is to add the missing information on the downstream job. So today, when you're looking at the mini graph, on a typical pipeline, you can see all the jobs, but in a downstream pipeline, when you click on a downstream pipeline, it will actually take you to the downstream pipeline. And it's very inconvenient because users like to interact with the mini graph. So in this milestone, we are hoping to have the ability to show all the jobs that are nested inside or underneath a downstream pipeline in the mini graph. So users won't need to click back and forth from the pipeline to the mini graph to see what is the status of their jobs. And yeah, this is pretty much it for the scope of work for engineers. I'm going to pass it over to Sanjun. She is going to talk about the scope of work for UX. Take it away.
Yep. Thanks, Dov. Let me share my screen again. So as Dov mentioned, UX also going to focus on the CI/CD catalog for sure in this milestone. But this milestone is a little bit special because I am going to just focus on this issue only for now so that we can have a bigger vision in terms of the user flow of our product based on the understanding of the user's real context when they start to author their GitLab CI YAML file, when they start to edit their YAML file, and then probably that's the moment that they want to start looking into the CI components catalog. So we like to have a big journey map and do some exploration. And based on those outcomes, I could start moving on to the design step. So we'll see like what kind of outcome that we could come up with these issues. And in the meantime, there is one active UX research efforts going on. So I'm not going to share too much details, but it's about the CI/CD catalog for the self-managed customers only. And so far we completed 4 interviews with the customer. And then we like to just see like the research insight came out from this research and then decide like to move on this research, or maybe we can just stop this research. So this will be finalized in 16.4 as well. Do you have any other things to add regarding UX efforts?
No, I think this will be like a really important effort also for the public catalog or the instance-wide catalog, which we would like to deliver for the self-managed customer. And yeah, we'll see how it will evolve.
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Sounds good. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, I think this is it. Hope everyone found this recording useful. If there is any questions, you can reach out to me, Sunjun, or send a Slack message to the channel. Thank you.
Thank you.